Bridge Course, Standard 9th, Science. Hello students, just see at this model. Nature is biggest devoter. It give us many things without any condition. Look at nature. Nature is full of wealth. Wealth of pure air, wealth of pure water, wealth of trees, wealth of greeneries everywhere. In jungles, you can see diversity, biodiversity, where all animals, birds, everyone live together without disturbing each other's life. But we human beings started interfering in this environment, and for our greed we started destroying this beauty of nature, and slowly we started digging mountains, killing animals, cutting trees, deforestation, which further result into barren land, and these animals which are totally dependent on jungles are now homeless. So it's up to you and me, how can we control our greed and save the environment. Not only this, we must also understand that if we disturb environment and its beauty, slowly our life will also come in problem. So after our interference in this beauty of nature, we started doing pollution. Various types of pollution we did, and due to this pollution all these farms, forests are disturbed. Look, this is the photo of jungle fire. So we all know biggest source of oxygen is these jungles and trees. We are finally cutting these trees without any reason, and started building jungle of concrete, and slowly we started adding pollutants in nature. What are pollutants? Factor affecting nature's functions of ecosystem and causing harmful effect on biotic and abiotic factor are called as pollutant. Pollutant make the environment poisonous and unhealthy. Pollutant may be natural or man-made. Natural pollutants are destroyed in due to course of time by nature's rule. However, man-made pollutants are not. So, let us see natural reason of pollution. Volcanic eruption. This is natural reason of pollution. Solid gases and liquid material emerged out through the eruption. For example, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, ammonium chloride, hydrogen vapors, dust, etc. are given out in atmosphere. Earthquake. Poisonous gases and water vapor from inside earth are released into air. Cyclone. Cyclone and dust storm, dust, soil, garbage, pollens, microbes are mixed with air. Forest fire. Forest fire release carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, smoke in air. Microbes in air. Pollens of Parthenium, spores of bacteria, fungi are mixed with air. Reason of air pollution, that is man-made reason. First one, fuel. Burning of fuel like coal, timber, LPG, kerosene, diesel, petrol release carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, lead compound, etc. are released in air. Burning of solid waste, agricultural waste, etc. in open space cause air pollution. Look at this video. What a huge amount of smoke is given out in environment. It is just best example of air pollution. Their house has or something has caught fire and it is burning so vigorously that it is emitting dark black smoke. Fertilization. Smoke is released in large quantity from various factories. Sulfur powder, nitrogen oxide, ketone, seeds powder is in air. Atomic energy plant and blast. Use of elements like uranium, thorium, graphite, plutonium release radiation in air and thus pollution occurs. So just now we have seen all man-made reason for air pollution. Now tell me, what do you mean by air pollution? Contamination of air by harmful substances like poisonous gases, smoke, particulate matter, microbe, etc. is called as air pollution. Pause this video here and try to write down this man-made and natural reason for air pollution. Student, now look at this image. Tell me, the thing which is in the hand, it is earth. So what this picture exactly tell us? Just imagine and try to listen what earth is telling. Earth is telling, save me. So it is in your and in my hand to save our earth. Now pause video and write down this question and try to find their answers yourself. Pause it here again for question number 4 and 5.